wangena phambili ugangathi indlela sizomthela onke kudala le nto siyenza singabanye aphelile amathemba asinamdla ngoba every day kwakosisithi isikhathi
Jesu
okwesine nakumvala sizokuthi reliving the story of God's grace. Sizonza njalo nto. Hey, silapha nje ukukhumbula nokubalisa ngoba bathi bayibonga inkosi. Ayikho into esinayo. Kodwa xa umntana lo sisa sizothi baba bebentimba asizuvuka lona ubaba lo ayikho into asizoyenza sizothi hey mali asihambanga ngamehlo amandla ethu sihamba kubana
ebekhona hey weJesu
sonke nje
ebekhona
sizonke just you hayi sizonke just you sizonke Thixo utshilo ngabe kodwa futhi uthi Moses kulamadoda uyahamba uThixo wohamba naye sizonke nathi hamba nathi Thixo hamba nathi kodwa asinqalele uhamba nje sicela isina sicela sekubekho into abathi kabayibisa a divine presence ubukhona bakho uke wathi umfana xaxabana noThixo wathi ubuso bakho abuhambi nathi usuku sindulula
moya oyingcwele
tell story ukuthi lo wayavela masithi nathi namhlanje xa ngigqibezela we are here and that's going to come to reset our lives in God and His plans for our lives. God and Zimbabwe, we are here in terms of resettling our life. See, yes, course, and I don't know that. Since all the people live, it's not in the